So guys, today I'll show you guys how to replace your lawnmower blade. This is Toro and it's a 22 inch. I got this from Mana for I believe like 20 something, 24 something. So you just flip it over, then there's two bolts here and the socket is 15. So and just remove it. Oh, I might have to get something to so it's moving. I have to find something to block it. My work, okay, yeah, I just use my new blade to block it, so it's not very hard. Anybody can do it, even I'm doing with just one hand. So, see, we'll get back. So this bowl has thread lock, so that's why they are kind of a little bit tight, which is good. So just remove that, take it off, and just pull it out. So this one is pretty bad. So the new one, unwrap it. Maybe we can try to recondition this one and reuse it. Go like that. So just go one way, so you cannot put like this. So don't worry about the right orientation. So it should be just one way, and then put this one back, cover back, and then your bowls. So now just tie it back. So to lock the blade, to make the blade lock this, I just put the old one around here, just lock in place, so you can now tie it up without it's moving. So I haven't checked the torque power, but I think it's already have Loctite, and so you can just do. I think this should be enough. Now just take it out, so you should be done.